Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for being part of the last session with Saifi Ismail, the president of Yala Group based here in the UAE. Some illuminating thoughts about the challenges and the opportunities that were shared there. A really thought-provoking session. Now, we promised you at the beginning of today, day 3 here at Expand North Star, our landmark startup event in association with GITEX Global, the largest tech show in the world. We made a promise that would keep the momentum high and the list of speakers illustrious, international, and we are certainly delivering on that so far, and we're continuing. I've been told by the next pair of speakers that they do want to keep the momentum high. In fact, we've got no chairs. We're going to just dance around the stage, perhaps. But we're certainly going to entertain you and share some insightful messages in this next session. This particular chat is going to be focusing on open innovation for luxury brands. Please do feel free, if you've got some dynamic and interactive questions that you'd like to volunteer in this session, put your hand up, because I know that Francesca, who's going to be leading the way in this particular chat, who's the head of Open Innovation Luxury Lab, Limitless Innovation from the States, that's Francesca Rossi. She'll be looking out at the audience to see who's going to be answering some questions for us. And we are very pleased that all the way from Italy, we have Gianluigi Zarantonello, who's the Global Digital Solutions Director of Valentino, no less. So luxury brands, innovation, tech. We've got such a wonderful intersection of all of these themes. Please do welcome them on stage with a very warm October Dubai welcome that we're giving all of our guests today. Please do welcome them. Woo!
Thank you.
Over to your hands, Francesca.
Thank you.
Gianluigi, welcome.
So, good morning, everyone.
Morning, everyone.
And thank you for being here with us. It's a pleasure for me to be here today. I'm Francesca. I'm an Italian, but I'm currently living in Miami, at the epicenter of innovation technology in the US. But I was born in a little town in the center of Italy, in the heart of shows production, so I have the fashion in my heart somehow. Then I moved to Milan, and I've spent the last 15 years before moving to Miami. Today, I have the pleasure to share the stage with Gianluigi, with which I had the pleasure to work in our Open Innovation Luxury Lab since last May, more or less.
Yes.
Yeah. Let me just to briefly introduce you to Limitless Innovation. Limitless is a boutique consulting firm. As you can see, our mission is really clear. We want to partner with all the luxury brands, helping them in solving their innovation challenges, matching them with the most promising innovators and scale-up and startups. We do it through 3 business units. One is the Open Innovation Luxury Lab, and we will go through it with Gianluigi today. The other one is the Grow Innovation Platform, and aim at helping scale-ups in boosting their business, matchmaking them with luxury brand and providing them with different services like Media Boost, investors network, and so on. And then we have another business unit that is our Open Innovation Catalyst, and with which we organize basically B2B events aiming at creating connection. So it's clear that at the base of our heart is the open innovation and the big ecosystems we creating during time. In this ecosystem, we connect with multiple stakeholders like scale-ups, startups, investors, universities, and obviously luxury brands. Today I'm here to, it's my pleasure to discuss with Gianluigi what we are doing together. Yeah. We started an Open Innovation Lab, and we are helping Valentino in managing really their innovation process. So Gianluigi, the first question I want to share with you, and the first thing I want to ask you is, you are leading the digital solution department at Valentino almost since 8 years ago. So which was the reason, the needs that brought you to start this program with us?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Francesca. Thank you for having us today. So the purpose of this Open Innovations Lab is to scale, to improve, to grow what we already have done during the year, because we realize that there are so many interesting things around. We already know, but now the scale and the speed is growing and growing. And so we like to partner with someone that is an intersection between fashion and tech, that help us to reach the best talent, the best scale-up, the best people to know. And our purpose is to start knowledge better some of these innovative themes that we are not able to understood totally ourselves, but also to contaminate our brand that is very open to innovation, but maybe not have this appearance, let me say, for you that are in the space of ecosystem of innovation, to be contaminated and to be also a partner to work with in terms of working together and helping ourselves to scale some capability, and from our side we can help the scale up probably to understand better our world of luxury that is not so easy to, let's say, understand and penetrate from outside, to be honest. So this is the starting point we choose to do this program.
Yes, that's what we are doing together. So helping them in finding the best partner to solve their challenge, either on customer experience side, but also in maximize their efficiency in digital supply chain. So tell us, Gianluigi, a little bit more, just to be more practical, of what we did so far and what we will do. And we are kicking off actually these days, just on our way back from Giatex.
Yes, sure. So one important starting point we have done together is to work with all the company executive and manager to start understanding really what could be our needs, because we find that we need to start working on the intersection of what is needed from our side and what is possible outside. So not starting to say, okay, there is an interesting technology, let's try to do something with that. No, we start the different way. We start understanding what are the pain point or the opportunity we have as a company. Not going in a technology solution at the beginning. Just say, okay, what is your pain point or your opportunity as a department? And when we speak about department, we speak from the perspective of marketing, but also production, both on finance, whatever is in a complex company like us. And what we try to achieve is to understand the common needs that people have. Saying that, we work together with Limitless, for sure in interviewing people, but also to rationalize what we find out in terms of challenges, in some macro challenges. So we define which are the common point between different people, between different departments, in order to understand where to start. Because if you go aside here, there is a lot of things where we can start. So we define some topic, main topic, where we like to start. Then we set up also governance, because one risky point of this kind of program in a big company is to lose traction at some point and to not have someone who lead the things. And we don't want to lead as a department, we want to lead as a collaborative leadership, let's say, between different managers. So we set up different group of governance. I don't want to go too much in detail here, but also we try to involve a group of what we call the innovation ambassadors, so people from different departments with a very, let's say, strong feeling in terms of open to innovation, to involve in any program we do in order to have someone very active. And then now we are going to start next Monday. So
next Monday, actually, yes.
The first stream.
With the most funny part.
Yeah, the most funny part. The first stream with an inspirational moment to regroup all together and to set the stage, and then a different moment that lead us to select some partner to achieve the best solution in this stream, and then to go piloting this, and hopefully also to scale then.
So we as Limitless, we leverage on our, let's say, ecosystem of innovators in order to present to Gianluigi and all this team. This is a really wide project. We did something like 35 interviews to all the executives, so we developed a quite large understanding and a quite deep understanding of their needs. So now what we are doing is selecting the right partners for them in solving their challenges. And we will start next Monday, and we have really a strong and quite tiny schedule to solve a lot of different challenges. And now the question is clear. So why Limitless at your side in doing this program and leading this innovation journey?
Yes, so first of all, as Francesca said, the Limitless company, Stefano that's here in the first row and other member of the team here around are at the intersection of fashion tech, so fashion and technology. One big point we have, and so is also a message for you, is that there is a lot of interesting things that scale up and startups propose, but sometimes there is a lack of knowledge of the industry. And so the things are very interesting on one hand, but not fitting what we need. On the other hand, maybe we do not have enough understanding of the new technology to really understand what we can do. And so having someone that helps us in the intersection is very, very valuable. And of course, it's also a matter of approach, because Limitless is a company that is not let's say implementing directly things. So it's an open ecosystem, so we are open together with Limitless to welcome all the company here and around the world that like to work with us to understand the luxury challenges and to try to help us to solve. So the message is there, Valentino is a company very open to innovation. We like to interact with this ecosystem outside, and we like also to infuse some knowledge from us to ecosystem, to work together and be proactive and productive for both sides in this space of fashion tech. So very open to discuss, to understand what we will do, of course with the help of Limitless, because we need some help to govern, to manage this governance, but very, very happy to be here on this stage to say Valentino is a company open to innovation, so we are glad to interact with you and to understand what are the possibility to do together.
Absolutely, and our network is obviously continuously enlarging. We are always keen to know new solutions that we can offer to Valentino and to the other brands that are in our network. So this is a message from our side. So I want to use these last minutes also to ask you, Gianluigi, which are the benefits we are expecting from this program, and also the timeline, because sometimes people think that this kind of program can be really long-term, and maybe we start today, but we will expect benefit in the long run. So
yes, so the timeline is very fast because it's important to not lose traction, because of course at the beginning innovation is not the core of the company, is something that will complement the strategy. The purpose is to make the innovation then more a pillar of the company, but we need to take traction. So we have these 4 streams that start from this October, and all the stream will be concluded around June, so very fast moving interaction with 3 moments of inspiration, definition, let's say inspiration, definition and piloting for each stream. And all this process will be very, very fast moving in the space. In terms of ambition, we like also to achieve not only super, let's say, forward thinking things, for sure, but we like also to achieve a very concrete result. So the aim is also to provide the immediate benefit to the company using the innovation, and of course starting from this starting point, then growing, but not, let's say, over-promising, not forward-looking in 2 years in now. We like to achieve the first result after 3-4 months of interaction. This is very important to demonstrate the value for us and also for the company all around. So we are very, let's say, fast-moving in the space. In fact, after this moment, we will start again organizing the meeting of Monday, because we are here at the moment, but the meeting is on Monday. But no, really, the aim is to be very fast, very reactive together, and to work in a logic of partnership. So we like to embrace the collaboration as partnership, not as a supplier, because we needed to contaminate the open innovation, the fashion tech, and generally speaking, the innovation ecosystem with our company, with our needs, and so on.
Thank you, Gianluigi. So I want to just use the last minutes to summarize the key message. So we are really in the center of an ecosystem that is continuously enlarging, that is continuously changing. The rhythm, the pace is really fast. We welcome any innovation and any solution that can help Valentino, but all the other brands we are working on in order to create a solid ecosystem we can leverage on. So thank you very much to all of you for the attention. I don't know if there are any questions.
Yeah, if
we are
some question, maybe we have a minute left.
To answer them.
So again, in the meantime, I just repeat the key message. We are very open to discuss now, probably and we have also, let's say, what I like to highlight, that's me, my colleagues, Alessandra, that is here in the Chief Information Officer, other colleagues, and so on. We have done a lot of innovative things, but as a company, we do not, let's say, highlight too much outside. So I want to say that it's not a company that have done anything and now try to go from anything to super innovative things. We have done a lot of very innovative things. So we are also ready to interact also technically speaking with a company like yours. And so now is the moment to start, let's say.
I have a question. Hi. Congratulations, first of all, for everything you guys are doing.
We cannot hear you so well.
I was saying congratulations for everything you are doing at Valentino. The question is, I saw a lot of, type of innovations, like from AI to blockchain. What is the one project that you're very proud of, that you already shipped with Valentino and you would like to tell today?
Let's say, generally speaking, not saying about a technology, but about a perspective. We are very proud of the project where we can blur a little bit the traditional way to do things with the new technology. So, for example, project where we can use augmented reality and other technology like that, but merging that inside the store. So not having a virtual experience on one end and a physical experience on another end, but having the possibility to augment, let's say, the engagement, the opportunity in a boutique, for example, like configuring product tailor-made and see in augmented reality, but in the boutique. So you can see both the physical product and then the product realized in a technological way. So generally speaking, when we can merge the traditional way of doing things with technology, not having technology on one hand and, let's say, traditional but not so traditional things on the side. Also because we have a great heritage, as you know, and so we like also to let's say, make more valuable this heritage also through technology. And there is a lot of things to say in that space, but we can discuss in a separate session, I think.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for having us. Thank you.